So my brother gave me this bent pipe. It's from his umbrella stand on his patio, and asked me to see if I could repair it. So I gave it some thought, and I considered cutting out the damaged section and replacing it and welding it all together. It's aluminum. I don't really like welding aluminum. It barely weighs 9 ounces. But as I thought about it more, it dawned on me that most pipe is, they're standardized sizes. So I took some calipers and I measured, and it's 1.5 inches on the outside, 1 3/8 on the inside, 16-inch thickness, so it sounds like a fairly standard piece of conduit. I went to Home Depot, and sure enough, I found some 1.5 inch conduit, galvanized steel. It'll certainly be a little stronger than this. So all I need to do is measure, cut, paint, put a cap on it. I guess I need to drill a hole too. There's a hole here for the actual umbrella assembly. But this should be pretty easy. It's 3 feet 2 inches. Let's get to cutting some metal. Alrighty, so pretty easy work. Just cut a piece of 1.5 inch conduit to the correct length, capped off one end, drilled the hole that the umbrella connects through. I guess that should be one. And there we have it. One replacement for a very thin aluminum and very bent umbrella support post. Anyways, hope my brother likes it.